Hello guys, thank you very much for joining me. My name is Roy Machingura. Welcome to Peak Valley, where I'm going to share with you my game planning for the week ahead. That will be starting from 30 November to 4 December. So I hope you had a very brilliant November, and we're now looking forward to December, what the market was going to bring us in November. Remember that uh, the monthly analysis for the USDZAR, I'm going to do it today because we still have an extra day into the month of November. So I'll only give you the monthly analysis for Euro US for USDZAR in next week, where I'll be sharing with you how I'm going to be expecting what I'm going to be expecting based on the setups that are on the monthly time frame. And so for if you haven't yet watched it, I encourage you to click in the link above and also watch the monthly analysis that we did on 4 November. And also, if you're interested in the Euro USD pair, I also have put in the link to the Euro USD in the notes below, the Euro USD game planning or the pre-market analysis for the Euro USD. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our analysis. We're going to start with the USDZAR weekly time frame. We'll be expecting that in the first scenario, the price will first move back or will be rejected back of this. The price will be rejected of this support zone so that it can come and retest the neckline, forming in the process forming a lower high before moving all the way down and breaking this zone and going to then retest it and then go down to 14.39096 zone. In the second instance, we'll be expecting that the price is going to, since it has broken out of this resistance zone, the price will just retest this zone before going all the way down to retest to reach the 14.39096 zone. Or since there is this presence of a head and shoulder pattern, this downward momentum will just continue until the price gets to 14.3906 zone. So now we head to the daily chart. On the daily chart, what I'll be expecting now is that since the price is closed below this resistance, this support zone, the price is now going on to retest this zone, but the bullish activity hasn't closed yet. We haven't formed a lower high yet. So what we'll be expecting is that since the price is come on to form a lower low after this lower high, we'll be expecting that the price is also going to be retested again and form a bearish candle, forming a lower high from here, where will be where after forming this lower high, the price will then move all the way down. Right. In the second scenario, the price may pull back and then form a higher high, pull back and form a lower high, a higher low, before going all the way to test this zone. So just to summarize, since we have seen that the price is forming a series of lower lows and higher lows, what we'll be expecting is that since the price has formed a lower low, a lower high, a lower low after a lower high, we are expecting that as the price is retesting this zone, it's going to form another lower high within this region, after which the price will then move all the way down to retest the next support zone. So because of the structure again, I'm not expecting too much of bearish movements, of bullish movements, because I have this head and shoulder pattern. I also have this trend line that's forming, right? And as you can see, we have the first test and the second test, and now we're waiting for the third test. So we'll be expecting that the price is going to have a third test around this zone, after which the price is going to move all the way down to retest the next support zone. So because I have the trend line, I also have the structure in terms of the lower highs and lower lows. and I also have the breakout, the bearish breakout. I'm not going to partake in any bullish positions because it will be too risky for me to do that. Yes, they may appear, but I won't get in because I won't have that risk to reward ratio. It won't be enough. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have learned much, and I hope this preparation, if you are, if you do not have time to do it, I hope it's also giving you that guidance of where the main price will be going, so that you can structure your trading pattern around it, or it can complement your trading methodology. So this week I'm not going to recommend additional books because I have recommended them in the video that I did my review, my trade review. For that video, click in the link above so that you can watch how I review my trades and how I do it when I'm reviewing my trades. So, given that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. It was a pleasure having you here. I hope to catch you next week or in the next project. Please give me your feedback so that I really know if it's helping you. So this was the pre-market analysis that I had. This was the game planning as far as the USDZAR is concerned. Once again, thank you very much and enjoy your December. Very much, out.